YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here in LA sliding around, about to get some work in. Today is about to be a super good day. Y'all do not understand. We got so much to do in so little time. This week is crunch time. I'm telling y'all. We got Arizona coming up in like the next week and a half. So I'm trying to make it out there if I could. So we're gonna get everything on the way. Even if I don't have any of the bikes that I do have right now, I should have a whole nother bike or something by then. So we're trying to get everything on the way and rolling. So make sure y'all enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway. Yes, today, Monday, we still got the 10 spots per sliding out hiding cap. So make sure you get yours, man. $50 gonna get you the spots, man. I'm telling you, that's all you gotta do. If you haven't done it yet, go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com. Go ahead and grab you a blue or a red slide not hiding cap. That's gonna be your entry into the Silver Bullet giveaway. We are almost sold out, so understand that, man. We could be going live any day, literally. So get in to win it this week while you can, so we can make it happen, man. Because I'm telling you, it's game time, man. It's time to go up and make it happen. So first thing first, we're about to go ahead and head to this powder coat shop. I got a lot of parts I'm about to drop off to get powder coated for our 2015 Road Glide. Back there looking good. So everything in that box is basically everything for the motor. Like I said before, I wanted to black out everything instead of leaving it chrome like I usually do. So today we're about to go a little step further and do the unthinkable. So that's how we feeling today, man. Then after that, I gotta head to Antonio, drop off that front fender. After that, we're gonna be to the washer spot to grab these washers for the motor. So it's time to get this candy on the way, man. I cannot wait. It's lit, it's game time. I'm telling you, I'm loving it, I'm feeling good. I just can't wait to bring it to the table, because I'm telling you, I see it in my head clear as day. It's just about making it happen, putting it right in front of my face in real life. So that's what we're doing today. Today we are executing the plan. So it's game time, man. Let's make it happen and go for it, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We on this 105 sliding. Ain't nothing like early morning, ain't no more traffic, but everybody on the freeway getting to it, because I'm pretty sure everybody on here got somewhere to be, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We getting to it up early at it. About to make the best of it, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We just slid back all the way from Riverside. On the way back, just came back from grabbing these washers. I'm so happy, man, because I'm telling y'all, it's game time, man. Y'all not knowing, dude. But it's so crazy. I brought the wrong bag of bolts. I bagged everything up so I can see and have everything organized. I brought the wrong bag. Luckily, the guy be getting it in so much, he had everything written down, so he helped us out a lot. Like I said, I brought the wrong bag of screws. Some of y'all probably see it peeking, but we got them things, man. I got about 60 or 70 in this joint, so best believe that Road Glide is about to look amazing. I'm telling y'all. Just stay tuned and wait on it. Just wait on it, man. Just wait on it, man. I'm telling y'all, man, it's game time, baby. I can't explain it no other way. Y'all gonna see what's going on as soon as I get to the house. I'm telling you. Once we get that powder coat back today and the washers and go get the Allen screws from Ace Hardware, it's up, man. In real life, though, I'm telling you, we about to go up and make it happen, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait, because I know the finished product is gonna look so good, and it's so amazing, because I'm telling you, this is the best part about doing the bike, like literally. So I'm amped up, y'all. I just can't wait to get to the house and get to it. So stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding, y'all. We about to head to Antonio, drop off our fender, and check out the paint shop, man. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. What up, YouTube, man? We done made it to the beach. We out here all the way at Dockweiler, man. We used to literally live right down the street. Now we far as hell in the mountains. It's crazy. I love the water. I ain't tripping though. We gotta make our sacrifices. One day we gonna have a house with the backyard where I could dock the boat literally in my backyard. I'm telling you, it's coming. Y'all see the views, man. Y'all see what's going on. It's nice as hell out here. Wave. Oh, and it's still clear. Damn, this is a good ass camera. That's crazy. But yeah, man, it's always good to come out here and get a fresh air. It's definitely nice. Got the work truck going to work. Yes, sir, man. We gotta wait for this powder coat to get done. If they get done today, we're gonna go ahead and pick them parts up. If we don't, we're gonna literally have to wait till tomorrow. And the good thing about that is I still have to go to Antonio, so it's gonna all work out in due time. We gotta literally just get everything done this week. I'm trying to. If I can get everything done this week, that'd be great. So next week we could be sliding. So stay tuned, man. That's the whole thing about it. We're trying to get everything done ASAP for both of these bikes, but it's gonna come out nice, man. Y'all gotta just stay down and watch the process and trust the process, man, because I'm telling you, it's coming. I'll see what's going on. I see you, man. Yes, sir, man. We back at the house. We just pulled back up. We getting to it, man. I'm telling you, I'm amped up, feeling good. Y'all don't even know, man. We running it up, getting to it. We got the frame. We got our washers. We got to get the chrome bolts. The store was closed. But one thing I did notice, these are a little bit lighter than the actual color. But I'm not going to lie to y'all. I don't give a fuck. We still about to do what we got to do, man. I'm telling you, tomorrow it's up. We're going to get the chrome bolts. I brought this bag today, which only had like the push rod. Only a few things. This had everything I needed, the cam cover with the primary for me to get the exact bolts, but it's good because I didn't make it, but I at least got all the exact washers that I do need. So it's up. It's time to make it happen, man. I'm telling y'all, we going up. It's game time. We got to go ahead and get the powder coat tomorrow morning, get the chrome bolts, get all that fully bolted on there, clean this up. We ain't doing that dirty stuff, boy. We're about to clean it up and get it rolling, man. I'm telling you, it's game time, man. It's game time. I'm telling y'all, y'all better get in and win it while you can, man, because we about to go all the way to the top. I'm telling you. You see what's going on? You see what's going on, baby boy? You see it? I know I do. I hope you do too. Wipe your lens if you don't, man. So we're back in the garage. I have to take a shower. We're about to get to it. I'm about to go ahead and try to get some work done. I really wanted to get the powder coat done today, but it's not done, so we can't do nothing with the motor right now. So we gotta wait until tomorrow. But it's good. Tomorrow's gonna be the perfect day because it's still gonna be great. I'm telling you. But anyway. We're about to go ahead and put the frame together. I still got to disassemble the back end, but I just want to get an image of it. So we're about to put the frame together, put the bars on, triple tree, grease up the bearings, and we're going to go ahead and put the cans on that I brought. I got to get the legs, so we'll get that figured out tomorrow, but stay tuned for that, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got this thing looking good. Yes, sir. We got some fresh joints. Left, right. Fresh out the box. Harley need to go ahead and just give me a little sponsorship or something, man. But yeah, we got these things fresh. This the left. That fresh black. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, y'all. Yes, sir. Let me get this Loctite, and we're about to get to it, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. This thing is looking amazing. We got the black cans, powder coated frame. Somebody asked me about the van. Every bike I do, the van get taped up and I unpeel it. I just be doing it last minute sometimes once the bike 100% complete. Like I still have to do that one. But we keep everything nice and clear. So when they go to highway patrol, everything is good. But like I said, man, do y'all see what's going on? Like, do y'all see this frame, how wet this is? This is about to be one of y'all bikes. I know it ain't together, but just wait till tomorrow. By the time y'all watch this video, while y'all watching this video tomorrow, I'll be putting that motor on this frame with all the new powder coated parts cleaned up with the new Allens, the washers. Everything is going to look amazing. I'm telling y'all, you can still enter to win right now and get you 10 spots for 50 bucks. Get in to win in the description below. Copy one of the two hats, the red or the blue. SLIDN or HIDN caps at the description below. BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com. Get you any of the merch, I'm telling you. Get in to win it, man, because we're about to sell out. And we're going live, man. Y'all see, look, we got 2 bust downs in the garage. It don't get no better than that. And the craziest part, they about to leave and go to y'all, so y'all better get in the win it, man. I'm telling you, y'all deserve it. Y'all support your boy when he came this far, all the way from the backyard to the storage to the garage. And that's why we're going to keep elevating our game, because we're only getting better each time, man. It's going to keep getting better. But like I said, we about to go ahead and slide, get in this bed. I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow. Y'all see what's going on, man. We getting to it. It ain't nothing but to do it. Y'all see it, though, man. We putting that work in.